descending sequences, those are sequences going down and finding the nth term rule for them. If we look at the top one here, we've got 20, 18, 16 and 14. Now we're going to work this in exactly the same technique as if the sequence was going up. It's going down by 2. So can you see here? It's going down -2. We get from 18 to 16 -2 and so on. So what I'm going to do underneath, I'm going to write my -2 times table. So actually we'll write it on the top here. So I would expect to see, if I had my -2 times table, I'd expect to see -2, -4, -6 and -8. Okay, -2 times table, so that is actually -2n. Alright, so -2 times table we write as -2n. Okay, so how do I get from -2 to 20? So I'm adding 22 to get there. How do I get from -4 to 18? We'll check it. I'm adding 22. How do I get from -6 to 16? Again, adding 22. So the sequence is -2n plus 22. So that's my nth term rule. -2n plus 22. Sometimes you can write it by swapping them round as 22 minus 2n. So that's allowed. It's exactly the same as our -2n plus 22. So that's how you write a negative or a sequence going down rule. Okay, let's just try one more just to get going. We've got 20 minus 10 minus 40 minus 70. So here, what's going on here? We're going down here in 30. So we're taking 30 off and taking 30 off. Same every time. Okay, so what we've got to do here, we've got to write our -30 times table. So we go -30, -60, -90 and -120. So writing it here, that's -30n. Remember, n means the times table, -30n. So how do I get from -30 to 20? Well, I'm going to add 50. So it's going to be -30 plus 30n, sorry, remember that's our times table, 30n plus 50. Check it. -60 to 10, adding 50. -90 to -40, adding 50, and so on. So my sequence rule, my nth term rule, is -30n plus 50, and I could write it as 50 minus 30n. So that is how we write out the nth term rule when the numbers are actually going down.